Hello, my name is Andrea Ruskin, and I'm the coordinator of the User Experience Design program at St. Lawrence College. I'm here today to provide you with some information about our User Experience Design Graduate Certificate program. Before I provide some specific information about the program, I'd like to give you an overview of the discipline of User Experience Design, or UX design. The discipline of UX involves the intersection of design, technology, and business. A UX designer's job is to understand and advocate for a customer need. In the discipline of UX, we often refer to our customers or audience as users. I will be using the term user for the duration of this presentation. Ultimately, the goal of UX is to find ways to improve the user's experience with a product or service and to balance those needs with the client's requirements. If customers have a positive user experience, that leads to positive results for a business or organization. According to a study from Forrester, some of those benefits include lower support costs, increased customer retention, and increased market share. Our program is one of only 2 graduate certificate programs in Canada. It is a 1-year graduate certificate program that is open to any student with a diploma or bachelor's degree. Our program runs from September until April and is comprised of 2 semesters. We provide our students with a great deal of real-world experience that helps them prepare for an in-demand career. Our program provides several opportunities to work with real clients on complex projects. We've had no shortage of client work in our program. In fact, we've had more client work than we can accommodate in our first 2 years of the program. Our students have worked on several high-profile projects, including the City of Kingston Airport expansion, online tools to attract new talent to Kingston, and the Grand Theatre customer experience strategy. Our faculty are working in industry while they are teaching, and they bring extensive professional networks and current knowledge to the program. Small class sizes allow us to provide a great deal of individual mentorship to students. The studio space is also one of our best-kept secrets. We have individual work areas for students to collaborate and work on projects that include storage space for each student and computer monitors for them to plug into. One of the greatest strengths of our program is our successful integration of client work into the curriculum. In a short 2-semester program, developing a successful placement or internship can be challenging. We feel that incorporating client work directly into students' coursework allows us to support our students as mentors while providing them with more real-world experience than they could achieve in a 2 or 3 week work placement. One of our clients, Craig Desjardins, said about the work that we did for them, "Their flexibility, rapid turnaround, and creative and innovative approach to problem solving, namely helping me with my 2 projects with very tight timelines, is exactly what industry all too often complains the education sector can't do." Our graduates have reported that the client work they were able to show in their portfolios made a huge impact on their ability to gain full-time employment upon graduation. Our graduates have gone on to obtain positions in a variety of industries such as higher education, information technology, large tech companies, and healthcare. Erin, one of our recent graduates, says, "In the program, I applied the techniques and tools I was taught to solve UX challenges submitted by the Kingston community. Having direct experience with clients enabled a smoother transition into my current UX position. I enjoyed the charm of Kingston and the collaborative nature of the workspace at the St. Lawrence College Kingston campus. Thanks to the program, I'm now working as a UX researcher at a large Canadian tech company." Another of our grads, Kyle, says that St. Lawrence College is an exciting place to learn, socialize, and develop lifelong relationships with classmates and faculty. The knowledges and processes I learned about user experience ensure I apply effective research and design concepts to any scenario. Career prospects in UX continue to grow. Because the field is so vast, there are opportunities for students to specialize in a wide variety of fields like content strategy, research, information architecture, design, and more. According to a 2018 survey, the average annual salary in Canada for a UX designer is $82,000. We are proud of the achievements of our students in the program, and we are pleased to be able to offer small class sizes and a great deal of real-world experience to help them achieve their goals. We hope to see you in the fall so that you can join us in helping you launch an exciting new chapter in your career. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the fall.